Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add customer account login icon in Shopify for mobile version. So I've tested this for Dawn theme, and obviously it will work for almost every theme because you just have to understand the concept, and once you understand the concept, doing it will be just a piece of cake. So this is the mobile version in Dawn theme, and as you can see, there is no login icon here, and if I see the desktop version, there is a login icon. So the difference is clear. Obviously there is some changes in the code that we have to do, and these changes are very simple. There is no such complex hack. This I have just written it in a Google Doc. So you have to open header.liquid and look for this liquid code block inside the header. So you have to find this code actually, and you just have to remove this section. If section.settings.menu is not equal to blank small height, and if you have to remove this line, because basically what it does, so if there is a customer login icon, for example, it is hiding it basically. So we just have to remove this code, and that's it, we will be done. We don't have to add any external code for it. So this is the Dawn theme. I will go into like edit code, and then I will search for this one, href is equal to if customer. So I don't have to copy this a tag. Okay, so I will copy this one, and then I will search for header.liquid. So luckily it is already open in front of me. So let's see. So I will search for it, and I will click next. So as you can see, the code has been found. Href is equal to if customer routes.account.url. So you just have to find this code. If section.settings.menu is not equal to blank, small height is, and if we have to remove this code. Yes, there is a code. So you just have to carefully remove this one. So make sure not to remove any important thing. Okay, so we have to click save, and now let's see the mobile version whether the account icon is showing or not. So let's refresh, and yes, as you can see, the customer icon is back, and that's it. So that's how you can add the customer icon in mobile version, and it is already available on the desktop version. Thank you very much, and let me know if you want some other tutorial of your own type, or if there is any ambiguity, if you are facing any error in Shopify, you can let me know in the comment, and I will make a separate video for it as well.